How to fix Google Play Store keeps stopping is a common issue many Android users face. To resolve this problem, start by restarting your device, as this often resolves the issue. If the problem persists, go to your device settings and select the Apps option. Then find the Google Play Store and click on it. Click on the Force Stop option to stop the Google Play Store. Then click on the Clear Cache option to remove any temporary data that may be causing the issue. If the problem continues, click on the Clear Data option to remove all data from the Google Play Store. Be cautious when using the Clear Data option, as it will remove all your Google Play Store settings and history. Next, check for any updates for the Google Play Store, as an outdated version can cause issues. To do this, open the Google Play Store, click on the Menu option, and select My Apps and Games. If an update is available, click on the Update option to install the latest version of the Google Play Store. Additionally, ensure your device has sufficient storage space, as a lack of space can cause the Google Play Store to stop working. To free up space, delete any unnecessary files or apps from your device. It is also recommended to disable any VPNs or proxy settings on your device, as these can interfere with the Google Play Store. If none of these steps resolve the issue, consider resetting your device to its default settings or performing a factory reset. Before doing so, make sure to back up any important data, as this process will erase all data from your device. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Google Play Store keeps stopping issue on your Android device.